So this is actually the microphone. It has got very sleek and beautiful design. There is weight because of the metallic build, but the quality is really nice. And this is the second one, and both have got the LED ring here, and then there is a rechargeable port at the back side, and then there is beautiful LED display which shows you frequency, battery, and everything. You know, so I think you're gonna love it, which is suitable for karaoke purpose. It comes in a pair of two, and it comes along with a receiver. The receiver looks like this. It comes in the shape of a beautiful guitar, and it has got a 3.5 mm jack by default. The microphones have got a built-in rechargeable battery, and there is a nice LED over here. When I turn it on, you will be able to see the LED. So I have switched on the microphone, and then there is an LED display here. Right. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how we can use this microphone with an existing speaker. Right. One important thing to note is that the speaker should have a microphone jack. The aux port, even if it is 3.5 mm, is not the port which can be used for playing or singing using this microphone. Right. You need a speaker which has got microphone jack. It should read MIC or line in. You don't need the aux port, right? So we are just going to plug in the receiver into the microphone jack of the speaker, right? This is not any ordinary speaker. This is an amplifier speaker, so it is going to work with this device. But if you have got an ordinary speaker, Bluetooth speaker, which usually comes with an aux port, then this receiver will not function with that. So I'm just going to plug it in like this, and I'm going to turn on the amplifier, and at the same time I'm going to switch on the receiver. So the receiver has got two switches. One is the power switch, and the second one is the Bluetooth switch. In a moment I'll tell you how to use this both functions. So once you turn on the power of the receiver, and once you turn on the power of the microphone right here, they will automatically pair with each other. I'll just increase the volume so that you can hear the sound of the microphone. Hello, hello. I'm sure you can feel the difference now. So the microphone is connected to the receiver now. What I'm going to do now is, because I want to use it for karaoke, I want my music to stream from either my TV or my phone, and I want to use YouTube, which comes along with a lot of lyrics which I can read conveniently. So I'm going to use my phone to connect with this Bluetooth device. Before I do that, I am going to turn on the Bluetooth function of the receiver. Now I have turned.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So the light starts blinking.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Right, and since I had the Bluetooth of my phone turned on, they automatically got paired. We want to stream using YouTube, and then we'll sing along. Or you may use an app like Smule or something which you prefer for karaoke. So I'll just choose a simple Hindi song. I think you can clearly hear the music, and now I'm gonna sing along using the microphone. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. I have turned on the second mic as well, and you can see that just simply by turning it on, it got paired. Hello. You can see. Now I think this is an ideal device if you want to do interviews. For example, here is my colleague who is holding the another mic, and I'm holding the one mic. So hi Alex, so how do you feel today?
Yeah, I'm feeling great.
So you can see that both the mics are visible and both are paired with the receiver. Single receiver which can be inserted into the speaker jack. Okay, another good use of this karaoke system is that you can use the two microphones for capturing the interviews directly on your phone. So in case you are keen on doing podcast interviews, you can just use two microphone stands, plug in this receiver into your laptop or the phone, and you can record the interviews in a hassle-free manner by having two microphones which can directly be connected to your laptop, iPhone, iPad or anything at all. This is brilliant piece of device and it comes for a very reasonable price. The build quality is also excellent, trust me.